Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to your ultimate guide to exploring London, United Kingdom. This city, with its rich tapestry of history and culture, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be unveiled. From the grandeur of its iconic landmarks to the vibrant diversity of its culinary delights, London is a city that never ceases to amaze. Our journey will take us through the winding streets of this global metropolis, unveiling the best places to see, the tastiest places to eat, and the most intriguing cultural nuances that shape the heart and soul of London. We'll delve into the city's past, present, and future, offering you a comprehensive guide to everything this city has to offer. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply someone seeking new experiences, London has something for everyone. So buckle up for an exciting virtual journey through the heart of England. Begin your London adventure by visiting its iconic landmarks. First up, we have the Buckingham Palace, a symbol of the British monarchy's continuity. This grand edifice has served as the official London residence of the UK's sovereign since 1837. You can witness the famous changing of the guard ceremony here, a spectacle of British pomp and pageantry. While you can't just saunter in for a cup of tea with the Queen, during summer, the palace opens its staterooms to visitors for a modest fee. Next, let's take a spin on the London Eye, a marvel of modern engineering. This gigantic ferris wheel on the south bank of the River Thames offers a bird's-eye view of the city. Since its opening in the year 2000, it has become one of the most popular paid tourist attractions in the UK. Though prices vary, a standard ticket generally costs less than £30. Now behold the majestic Tower Bridge, a combined bascule and suspension bridge that has stood over the River Thames since the late 19th century. It's not just a pretty facade. You can also venture inside to explore its Victorian engine rooms. An adult ticket will set you back around £10, but the view from the high-level walkways is worth every penny. And finally, immerse yourself in the treasures of the British Museum, one of the world's oldest and most comprehensive museums. From the Rosetta Stone to the Elgin marbles, its collections span over 2 million years of history. Best of all, entry to this vast repository of human knowledge and culture is absolutely free. Each of these landmarks offers a unique slice of London's rich tapestry. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply a curious traveler, you'll find something to captivate you. And while costs can vary, it's always possible to plan your visits to suit your budget. These landmarks, steeped in history and grandeur, are sure to leave a lasting impression. After a day of sightseeing, indulge in London's diverse culinary scene. The city is a melting pot of flavors, offering a gastronomic adventure to suit every palate. From the quintessential English breakfast to the exotic spices of international cuisines, London serves up a feast like no other. One cannot talk about London's food scene without mentioning its gourmet restaurants. Whether you're in the mood for the traditional roast beef and Yorkshire pudding at Simpson's in the Strand, or the innovative dishes at the Michelin-starred restaurant Gordon Ramsay, there's a culinary masterpiece waiting for you. These high-end dining experiences can range from pricey to extravagant, but they're worth every penny for the unforgettable flavors and impeccable service. But London's food scene isn't just about fine dining. The city's bustling food markets are a foodie's paradise. Borough Market, one of the oldest and most renowned, offers a plethora of fresh produce, artisanal breads, and mouth-watering street food. The vibrant smells and colors are an experience in themselves, with prices that cater to a more modest budget. And let's not forget the humble street food stalls. From piping hot fish and chips wrapped in paper to the spicy aromas of Brick Lane's curry houses, these stalls offer a taste of London's multicultural heart. They're easy on the pocket too, making them a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Every meal in London is a delightful journey of flavors and cultures. So when you're in the city, don't just see the sights, taste them too. Experience the vibrant culture of London that goes beyond its historic facade. There's no better way to start immersing yourself in London's culture than a visit to the world-renowned West End. Often compared to Broadway, London's West End is a hub of artistic expression, where you can catch classic shows like The Phantom of the Opera or modern hits like Hamilton. A ticket to one of these unforgettable performances can range anywhere from 25 to 150 pounds, depending on the show and seating preference. But London's cultural scene isn't just limited to theatre. The city is also a haven for art enthusiasts. At the Tate Modern, you can admire works by Picasso, Warhol, Hockney, and other modern masters. And the best part? It's free to enter, though special exhibitions may charge a fee. Did you know that London is also famous for its music scene? In particular, Camden Town is a hotbed for live music, known for launching the careers of iconic bands like Coldplay and Arctic Monkeys. A night out here might set you back around 20 to 40 pounds, but the experience of grooving to live music in this vibrant neighborhood is well worth it. Here's a fun fact. London has over 300 languages spoken within its boundaries, making it one of the most linguistically diverse cities in the world. This rich tapestry of cultures contributes to London's dynamic and diverse art scene, offering a wide variety of experiences to locals and visitors alike. Moreover, London's culture isn't just about the arts. It's also about the people, the traditions, and the daily life. It's about enjoying a cup of tea in a quaint cafe, strolling through one of the city's beautiful parks, or browsing through a bustling market. It's about the small moments that make the city feel alive. As you engage with London's culture, you'll discover that it's not just about seeing the sights. It's about experiencing the city's soul. It's about understanding what makes London, well, London. Engaging with London's culture will give you a deeper understanding of its unique charm. Now that you're excited about London, let's talk about the best time to visit and what to expect. London, known for its unpredictable weather, has a charm in every season. Spring from late March to June is usually mild with occasional showers, and the city blooms in color. Summer, from July to September, is pleasantly warm, perfect for outdoor activities. Autumn, from October to mid-December, is crisp and cool, with beautiful fall foliage. Winter, from late December to February, can be chilly and damp. It's a magical time, especially during the holiday season with Christmas markets and festive lights. So when's the best time to visit? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. For good weather and outdoor activities, late spring to early summer is ideal. For a festive and cozy experience, winter could be your pick. Keep in mind, London's tourist hotspots are busiest from June to August and during December. Now let's talk about budget. London is known for its high cost of living. However, with some careful planning, it can be affordable. Expect to budget around 150 to 200 pounds per day, which should cover accommodation, food, transportation, and sightseeing. Remember, many of London's top attractions, like the British Museum and the Tate Modern, are free to enter. With this information, you can plan your trip to London with ease and confidence. As we conclude our virtual tour of London, let's recap. We've traversed the sprawling landscape of this iconic city and taken a deep dive into its rich culture, history, and culinary delights, all while unveiling crucial travel tips to ensure your trip is as magical as you imagine. First off, we whisked you away to the awe-inspiring landmarks that make London a world-renowned destination. We scaled the dizzying heights of the Shard for panoramic views of the city, strolled along the banks of the Thames to the iconic Tower Bridge, and marveled at the architectural masterpiece that is St. Paul's Cathedral. Our culinary journey was no less exciting. We discovered that London's food scene is as diverse as its population. From the bustling Borough Market, brimming with fresh produce and mouth-watering street food, to the quintessential afternoon tea experience at the Ritz, the city offers something to satiate every palate. Immersing ourselves in London's culture, we explored the dynamic arts scene, from the world-class performances at the West End to the creative street art in Shoreditch. We also dived into the city's rich history, visiting the British Museum and the Tower of London, where centuries-old tales come to life. We've also equipped you with practical tips to make your visit seamless. We've learned that while London's weather can be unpredictable, each season offers a unique charm, with spring and autumn being particularly delightful. For budgeting, we've seen that while London can be expensive, with a bit of planning, it's possible to enjoy the city without breaking the bank. But of course, London is not just about the landmarks, the food, or the culture. It's about the experiences that await you at every corner. the stories that unfold with each step, and the memories you'll create and cherish long after your visit. From the grandeur of its landmarks, the diversity of its food scene, to the vibrancy of its culture, London awaits. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the heart of England.